Are your NSIS apps crashing due to the Nsprocess Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm going to diagnose that error and fix it now. While we cover the technical fix for Nsprocess Library, you can also find a professional utility to assist with workstation optimization. This is the Nsprocess Library, a localized process management plugin for the Nullsoft Scriptable Install System, NSIS. It manages the localized detection of running application instances to prevent an installer from overwriting localized files while the software is active. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft redistributable. Because Nsprocess Library DLL is specific to the NSIS runtime environment, standard Windows repairs won't work, and you should use the official installer for your primary program where the error occurs to refresh the application and restore the file. Persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Nsprocess library component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. If you're still seeing the same problem post-restart, let's escalate our troubleshooting to the next tier. Feel free to pause the video if the next steps come at you too fast. If the restart didn't fix the performance alerts, we need to rebuild the diagnostic counter registry. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lockt/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, while these files almost never break, their registration in the performance registry Hive does. This command wipes those entries and rebuilds them. A brief word of caution: not all solutions found online adhere to professional security standards. Please keep in mind that manual replacement of Nsprocess Library DLL carries a high operational risk. Using unverified files can cause irreparable damage to your Windows registry and lead to total system instability. For a reliable way to monitor these specific library interactions, I've included a professional resource link in the description. The optimization resource linked in the description provides background information on synchronizing Nsprocess library. By subscribing, you're ensuring that the next time you encounter Nsprocess library critical error, you'll have a trusted expert ready to help.